Hey guys, sorry for the noise in the back. It's yeah, someone's mowing their yard, and it's pretty windy outside. So anyway, I got this backyard basics rectangle patio set cover for this, and I have cushion for this seating set, but every night I take them inside, because uh, one night when I forgot, some cats, the neighborhood cats, just peed all over them. So I had to get the new seats and all, and I've been trying to find an affordable way to have them covered, because if you go by one piece, they do cost a lot. So I got this backyard basics rectangle patio set cover with intent that I can put all these three together and then cover it all up. So this was about $30 in a Memorial Day sale with some rewards with me. I ended up paying just $20 for this whole set. It does say it's water resistant, got durable elastic hem for a secure fit. It has straps, ties for the legs for windy days, strong durable fabric for a long lasting life. So let me unbox this and let's see if it fits my seating area. And if it does, I will bring the cushions out, put them in, and put the covers on top. So let's unbox it together, and let's then try to put it on my seating set. So first impression, yes, it does look water resistant, so that's pretty good. And let me put it down, and there it is. So I believe that's it. There's nothing else. And so the dimension of this, I forgot to talk about the dimension. I mean, of course I looked at the dimension before I bought it. It says that it's 124-inch long, 77-inch depth, and 30-inch height, which is pretty much, I mean, this one is more than what I need. This one is probably a little bit more. This one is probably a little bit less. But as long as it covers it all, and with ties, it gives a good fit, then I believe this is what I need. So we have unboxed it. So I'm gonna put the camera on the side. I'm gonna show you if it does fit. If not, it's going back. All right, thank you guys. So here you can see it fits perfect. It's a little bit oversized, but nothing to worry about. It fits perfectly. I think it works just fine for the use that I have. It's water resistant. It has elastic on the bottom. It's not gonna go anywhere. But just for like really windy days, it does have the straps at the bottom to tie it to the legs of the seating. But other than that, quick 2-minute fix. 2 minutes it takes to probably a minute to cover it all up. So no more taking the seat cushions out every time, every night. Just cover it all up with this. So thank you guys.